Okay guys, then I'm gonna do a slime like I always do. Okay, let's start. First we pour in the glue like always. It smells a little funky. I'm gonna not do that much, or no, just this bit. If you know why my voice is like this, but I'm like kind of sick. Not sick, kind of sick. Okay, I think that should be right. Okay, I'm gonna go get a mixing spoon. I'm back. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do some Tide. Okay, you can see me. I need to do just a little. Okay, I just did a little. That's enough, I think. I don't want it too much activated, so wish me the best of luck. I think I need more. I need more. I need more. Oh no. Okay, that's enough, I think. Oh, that's also, it's not enough. That sucks. I think this doesn't work. I think it's the same texture, but this is the last time that I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna do a raw. Whew. I did a lot. It's just turning blue. Okay. If it doesn't work, what am I gonna do? But it's Elmer's glue. It always works. This is weird. Super weird. It gets super liquidy. On 3, 2, 1, I'm gonna make the slime. 1, 2, 3. I made slime. Here it is. It's very good. I didn't add color because I didn't want to. I want it to be white, but it's gonna be messy, so I'm gonna see if I can do a bubble. I added so much Tide that I added so much Tide that it overreacted. It was super stiff. I was doing some lotion and a lot of stuff. And then it becomes better. I did some baking soda because I did also some contact solution. I love slime. It's like milky slime. Ooh. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on next time. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget to subscribe.